How to log in into Telstra Employee Portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Telstra Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, open up your web browser. Then simply search for Telstra Employee Portal login. After you do that, there you'll see the login option for Telstra. You can simply open that up, then let it load. So it can take some time to load depending on your internet speed and the region you're on. So while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So right here, after the page loads, select Telstra account, and after you select that, it should take you to another page. So there we go. So let me restart the login. And right here, after you're on the login page, what you'll see is a login section where you'll have to type in your email address or user ID and then simply type in your password. After you do that, you'll then be logged in basically, and that's how simple it is. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.